Did you know one of Canada's top bird watching locations is just an hour outside of Vancouver? It's called the Reifel Migratory Bird Sanctuary, and it's home to millions of birds seeking feeding and resting grounds during their annual migration along the Pacific coast. And not only is it a great place to take the kids, but it's also a year-round destination.
There's another eagle with a little red-winged blackbird chasing him. It's right on his back. Amazing how a little red-winged blackbird will attack an eagle. Just gets on his back. Is he going to flush the other one off the tree? No, he's going out to sea.
We have 1 hour to explore 850 acres here at the George Reifel Bird Sanctuary here in Western Island. I'm with John Ireland, who's the manager of the George Reifel Sanctuary.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Likewise. He's going to take us out for a walk. So let's get at her.
Well, usually bird watching is best done early morning if you can get up early enough. First light, everything sings a little bit and starts to feed. There's 4 babies in there. This is a little lookout, so you can see the seaside.
And the geese.
Well, a lot of family groups love to come out and buy a bag of seed and go off and feed the ducks and the fish. And there's lookout towers, little bird blinds where they can go and sit in winter time. It's just as good in winter as it is in summer. You can look right up to Nanaimo. Duncan and Crofton is straight across, Victoria's to the south. An active pass. You can see the Olympics on a clear day. There's quite a bit of smoggy pollution around today.
Hey, I see the eagle.
You see the eagle? Oh, you saw it. Good.
I always saw it.
You saw it?
Always saw it.
There it is. I see it too.
I always saw it. And
Oh my goodness, you know what? It just waved at me.
Contented ducks, and always just hang around.
Well, we didn't get a chance to check out all 850 acres, but we did see a couple amazing birds, like the eagles, herons, and a couple crows. That would be us. John, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Welcome. Come again.
Oh, certainly will.